Imagine an empire stretching across an entire continent, from the scorching deserts to the snowy mountains. How could such a vast territory be effectively controlled, defended, and even expanded upon 4 centuries? The answer lies not just in mighty armies, but in the very ground beneath their marching feet. Roman roads were not merely pathways for trade or travel. Their primary strategic importance for legions was to facilitate unparalleled speed and efficiency in military movement, logistics, and communication, directly enabling Rome's expansion and sustained control over its vast territories. These engineering marvels were meticulously constructed, often by the legions themselves, to ensure directness, durability, and all-weather usability. They were built with multiple layers of stone, gravel, and sand, sometimes topped with paving stones, creating an incredibly resilient surface. This robust construction allowed for rapid, unimpeded movement of troops, equipment, and supplies regardless of terrain or weather conditions, a critical advantage in an age of slow communication. Unlike simple tracks, Roman roads minimized detours, cutting straight across landscapes and often tunneling through hills or bridging rivers, dramatically reducing travel times. The standardization of these roads across the empire meant legions could consistently maintain high marching speeds, sometimes covering 20 to 30 miles in a single day, far exceeding the pace possible on natural terrain. For a Roman legion, this meant the ability to quickly deploy to quell rebellions, reinforce vulnerable borders, or launch surprise offensives. Commanders could respond to threats with unprecedented swiftness, catching enemies off guard, or preventing small uprisings from escalating into major conflicts. Furthermore, the roads served as vital arteries for the continuous flow of provisions, weapons, and reinforcements, ensuring that legions operating from Rome were always well supplied and prepared for extended campaigns. This logistical backbone was as crucial to their success as their tactical prowess on the battlefield. Beyond troop movement, Roman roads housed an elaborate state-run postal and transport system known as the cursus publicus, which allowed official messages and high-ranking personnel to travel at astounding speeds using relays of horses. Every Roman mile was marked by a milarium, a milestone that often indicated the distance to Rome or a major city, further aiding navigation and precise planning. The engineering foresight even included standardized widths, typically around 15 feet, allowing to military wagons to pass easily, a seemingly small detail that significantly boosted efficiency and prevented bottlenecks during large troop movements. Ultimately, the strategic network of Roman roads transformed the empire's ability to project power, maintain order, and manage its distant provinces. They were the indispensable veins and arteries through which Rome's military might flowed, enabling the legions to conquer, defend, and consolidate a dominion that shaped Western civilization. These roads were not just infrastructure. They were instruments of imperial control and the very foundation of Roman military dominance.